Hey guys, it's Shannon. Happy almost New Year. I have some awesome things laid out on the counter behind me, and today I'm going to share with you some Dollar Tree supply items that you can use for your New Year's decor as well as your New Year's party. So let's get started. And now we're going to make a really fun banner. So I have these silver plates from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a set of 12 and they're really nice metallic color. I also have some string from the Dollar Tree and some of these curly bows. I'm also going to be using a hole punch and a Sharpie or a black marker. So all I did was draw 2019 on the plates. If you have a vinyl cutter, you could do this in vinyl too. But if not, a Sharpie works just as good. And now what I'm gonna do is punch holes in these corners of the stars and use my string to connect them together pretty tightly. And then I'm going to use some of this curly ribbon to dress up and cover up that connection there. Supplies that you'll need for this project include some dowel rods. I used some gray tissue paper, a block of styrofoam, this pretty cylinder gift box. You'll want to take the lid off. We won't be using that part, but save it for an upcoming project. I also have some curly ribbon here and some noisemakers. You'll want to start by cutting your styrofoam down to size so that it fits inside of the cylinder. Next, I inserted 3 dowel rods, 1 in the middle and 2 on the sides, and these will hold the party horns. I added 2 more dowel rods between the party horns, and we're going to tie the curly ribbon onto these. The ribbon bundles apart and just used a few strands and tied a knot onto the dowel rods. Then I cut down some tissue paper into smaller sized squares. I gathered them at the bottom to poof them up at the top and then just stuck them into little cracks and crevices within the styrofoam so that they would stay in place. Added more curly ribbon to the front, and then I also added a few more smaller dowel rods to fill in and add some more ribbon. If you aren't already, you can find me both on Facebook and on Instagram and follow me over there. I will have both of those linked down in the description box below. I decided to add some extra detail to the cute little cider bottles from the Dollar Tree. I just wrapped some of the matching tissue paper around the bottle and taped it down. I also added some of that rhinestone ribbon that is also beautiful from the Dollar Tree and tied a little bit more of that curly ribbon to the top. Now it's time to use the top of that cylinder gift box from the centerpiece we used earlier. I used some more of that rhinestone ribbon from the Dollar Tree and wrapped the cardboard top and just glued it down into place with some hot glue. Then I added some hot glue to the bottom of the cylinder and popped it onto this beautiful starburst mirror, which is also from the Dollar Tree, and then added a battery candle to the center. I loved this beautiful ornate mirror that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I added a little bit more bling to it by adding the rhinestones around the edges, and I liked the way that the mirror sort of gave it more of a glam look shining through from behind the rhinestones. Next, I measured the opening in between the rhinestones. Mine was about 2.5 by 4.5 inches, and I went into my Photoshop program and used the font Magnolia Sky to print out just on regular computer paper with black ink the saying just Happy New Year, and then I cut it down to size and glued that into the center. This is a fun way to dress up the plastic wine glasses from the Dollar Tree. This is not dishwasher safe, and it's also not food safe, so you don't want to paint anywhere near where you would be drinking from the wine glass. But I added 3 coats of gold paint to the bottom stem of the glass, and then added just a touch of the rhinestones to pull the whole look together. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any fun plans for New Year's this year. I hope that these tutorials inspired you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps out my channel and allows me to continue bringing you great DIY projects. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a happy new year. Bye guys.